So okay guys, we're going towards La Magnolia neighborhood. Still this whole area here, there are a lot of restaurants and shops, and where they sell bike stuff, restaurants down that street right there. That's a restaurant, Sin Sombrero, without a hat. And there are a couple of restaurants up there, Tasties, fast food restaurants. Let me just pass the street here quickly, cross it. So you got Sin Sombrero, that shop, restaurant right there. And we got all these other places. You got the haircut here, Fade Factory, where you could get haircuts. You got where you could get your blender repaired. You got Mi Buñuelo. You got the flower shop. This has been here for like 25-30 years. I used to buy flowers here when I lived in Envigado. You got a motorcycle shop right there across the street. Toyota. This is the gym, Bodytech gym right here. That's the entrance to the gym and everything. And Bodytech is all over Colombia. And here are the nightclub areas here, the bars and nightclubs. Mandala is a nightclub, disco club. You got the hair salons here and the nail salons where you can get your stuff done. And you can see prices for these things. A man's haircut is about $4. A woman's haircut is $4 as well. And get your hair blow dried, a woman, they start at 15,000 pesos, $4 and some change. And then you got hands and feet. If you want your nails done on your hands and feet for 28,000 pesos, that's less than $10 US. That's about $9. A manicure and pedicure, 25. Manicure, 13,500. They got all these things with your mustache. If you want to get your mustache done, 7,000 pesos. So you got all this stuff right here with the shop and giving you prices. And all these other things, massages, relaxing massage for 60,000 pesos. That's about less than $20, $18 for a relaxing massage. Chocolate therapy, I don't know what that is. Mud therapy, 65,000 pesos. You got a bunch of stuff here in this shop here. And you got the bars there, Moe's Bar, like on The Simpsons. Moe's Bar, baby, come on, what are you doing? Hey, is Mr. Freely there? Freely here? First initials IP Freely. Oh my goodness, that's a classic on The Simpsons. Moe's Bar right there, Mario Brothers. They got them all over Colombia here, and Medellin and Antioquia. And those Verdes, fast food shops, the nightclubs, the bars, all of this around here. Liquor shops and everything. And this is like the noisy area in Envigado, the party district. This is the party district. And another one, a block over from the park on the other side. On la calle de Guanteros, calle Guanteros. So more restaurants here. And Pizza Gold, I have been buying pizza from there for years. Pecado Capital, that's another fast food restaurant there with burgers and whatever, and with the electro music. And I used to buy pizza there, and it was pretty good. I don't know about now. A slice is like $1.50 for a slice of pizza right there. And I don't know how good it is these days. Another burger shop right here, another restaurant. Maiz y Brasa, corn and on the grill. All these restaurants, a lot of restaurants are in here, in this area, so you can come and live here. This is La Magnolia, and this other neighborhood, I don't know what they call it. And you can find Airbnbs around here. This is the local life here in this area, the local life in Envigado. This is not a touristy area. It's not like you're gonna see tourists roaming around all over the place. Nuh-uh. You'll see the travelers that live here, but not tourists. And a lot of people are living around here from the States, Canada, and Europe. Look at that. They make these little boats, handmade ships. Wow, look at that stuff. Flower shop there. And if you live here, you want to buy that as decoration. So, all of this. I didn't grow up here, but every time I came on vacation, this is where I used to play with my friends, my brother and I, and with cousins, the female cousins. A barber shop over there, and a Mexican restaurant, Zacatecas Mexican restaurant. And I'm going out to my uncle's place, which is nearby, but I'll keep that secret because I don't want him to catch any rap, a bad rap or whatever from people. Una ciudad hecha sabor, a city made tasty. So this is a Mexican restaurant right here. And well, I'm gonna let you go, guys. This is Envigado in a typical neighborhood, middle class. This is middle class, and you can find good Airbnb prices here, but not for shoestring budgets. For that, you go to Laureles in Medellin. I've made videos about that before. I'll make another one before I leave. In Belen, I'll make it on my motorcycle because today I didn't come. And you got the regular mom and pop shops around here. This is a regular shop. It's been here for like about 35-40 years. It's called I forgot the name of it. I'll leave it on the screen. I forgot what it's called. So it's a mom and pop shop here Well, they've been here for like 40 years. 40 years. I kid you not. Granero Villasol. Granero Villasol. That's the name of the place. Granero Villasol. Okay, guys. Later. Catch you later.